Hey everyone, Dr. J here, and I'm back with an exciting new series of videos. In this series, I'll be diving deep into the world of Microsoft Word to create professional formatted documents for your thesis, research papers, assignments, and reports. Think of me as your Microsoft Word wizard, guiding you to tame those unruly headings and paragraphs. Now, before we embark on this epic journey, let's make sure we're all on the same page. These videos do not teach you the basics of MS Word. They're for the MS Word warriors, the bold and the brave, who already have the basic levels of understanding. We're about to take your document formatting skills to superhero levels. But wait, before you grab your coffee, let's make sure we're on the same page. I'll be using Microsoft Word 365 on the Windows operating system. Don't worry, Mac lovers, the equivalent commands should be more or less the same. So, be prepared to bid farewell to those countless hours spent fumbling with chapter numbering and manually inserting reference lists. And let's dive headfirst into the magical world to format your documents. Get ready for formatting wizardry, time-saving tips, and more aha moments. Are you excited? I sure am. Let's get this formatting party started.